Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you think my videos are informative to you, please subscribe my channel. इस वीडियो में देखेंगे मेरे पास ये वाला जो टेक्स्ट है इसके आगे मैं कुछ भी ऐड कर सकता हूँ और इसके पीछे भी ऐड कर सकता हूँ. Then we can use that formula equal to inverted open. Okay, and I want to write Mr. Then one space will be there. Then inverted and then put the text you wanted to. This is mine, and now you got that for everyone. Okay, and this is the formula. Mobile number. Okay, and you want to add before that. Okay, then you can use, like, I have a mobile number like this. Okay, I want to add +91. Okay, then I will write like equal to inverted open, then +91, then one space will be there, then inverted, and then this number, and now I have got this number. Okay, and this is how you can use this formula. If you think this video is informative to you, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.